Get your fundraising head on. Hi everyone, okay, so I'm Serena.
And I'm Mahmood.
And we're the Business Rockstars. Okay, so today, little clue in the title of the song, we are talking about fundraising. Over to Mahmood.
Thank you very much, Miss Songster. Now, fundraising plays an incredibly vital part in the machinery of arts and social enterprise organisations. Without it, the organisations would not be able to fulfil their purpose. Reflecting on that, fundraising shares a lot in common with businesses launching new products and services. So let me share some of those commonalities. Number one, it's about idea generation. So it means taking the ideas in your head, dump them on a piece of paper without sifting or selecting, take a step back, grab a coffee, come back, and then sift through that. We then have a business case, idea generation. We get some feedback from our potential clients. We talk to our own team and get some idea of which ones are going to stand. We need to put budgets together to get some idea, if we put the event on, the program or whatever the initiative is, taking it forward, what does that translate to in terms of a financial story as well as a number story, a cash story. We also need to monitor the progress, so we need to generate KPIs. It could be open rates on emails, it could be conversions, it could be donations by client groups, all those things come into play. And one other thing to bear in mind, pricing also plays a prominent part. So you might have something like price discrimination for different donor groups. You set the price for the fundraising initiative accordingly. You can have low entry prices. So all of those blend in that we've got a lot in common. Lots more on the website. Hope you enjoy this piece.
Okay guys, so final bit, Love My Accountant Day, it's looming, get on the website.
Ciao.